Hi, my name is Rebecca Langman. I'm an interior designer in Billings, Montana. Over the past few years, we know it's become more and more common to choose your designer for your project based on their skills and qualifications and not their proximity to the project. This is possible for projects ranging from simply selecting furniture for a space to full gut renovations and remodels of your home. The first step is gathering your tools. I have my 30-foot Stanley Fat Max, my Rocketbook reusable notebook, and a set of 3 colors of pens. I like to use red, blue, and black. I'll explain later. First, using black ink, draw a basic outline of your room. Don't worry about it being to scale. For now, close enough is perfect. And in my room, there's a little half wall and a closet here. So those are my walls. For now, close enough is perfect. You can always redraw this at the end after you get all your information gathered. Then I go around my room and write down all my measurements with my green pen. When measuring the length of a wall inside the room from one wall to the other, you want to lay your tape measure down square to the wall and with no obstructions. Make sure it cleanly touches the baseboard on both sides of the room. This measurement is 9 foot 3 inches, but before I write it down, I always add ½ an inch total to account for the baseboard, since I want a drywall to drywall measurement. For most designers and most projects, you want to stick with whole or ½ inch increments. Anything more specific than that won't matter until your contractor's on site and verifying and templating anything prior to installation. I've completed measuring all the walls in my room. You'll notice I have this wall that sticks out here, and I've drawn the thickness at 4½ inches, standard interior wall depth. Everything adds up. I've double checked all my numbers, and I know the depth of my closet because I measured both this length and this length. Now I need to go back with my red pen and show windows and doors. So this is where the multicolor thing really helps. There's a door at the front here. There's a door to the closet there. There's a window, a large window, and a pocket door. So when measuring windows and doors, you always want to measure the inside of the frame. So on this one, it's 35 inches across, and then I'd measure the height just to make sure. Although most interior doors are 6'8", you want to double check. And this one is 6'8". Now for windows, you also want to take note of the height top to bottom, and again, double check that interior header height. So I've got all my windows and doors drawn in their approximate locations. Now I need to put in the information. For windows, you do the width first, then the height, and then the header height. So this window here is 4 foot wide, 4 foot 0 inches, by 3 foot 6 inches high, and the top, the header height, at 6 foot 8 inches. The last piece of information you need for windows and doors is the location to the nearest corner. So I've got my tape measure stretched out, and this one is 6 feet to the nearest corner. Now for most projects, full or ½ inches is all the information you need. You don't want to confuse your drawing with 7/8 of an inch because it's not going to matter. So I will draw a little arrow to this corner with a call out 3 feet to corner. And you want to go around the room and do that for all of your windows and doors. This document, paired with your photographs of the space, will help your designer create an accurate as-built document to begin work on your project.